Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to the new chapter Microorganisms Friend or Foe. In this chapter, I am going to explain you the basics of this chapter and introduce you to this chapter. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So, let's see from a very first point, which is study of microorganisms. So what is study of microorganisms called? It's microbiology. Our next point is father of microbiology. It is Anton van Leeuwenhoek. So first of all, we should know what does microorganisms mean. The word microorganisms mean that the small organisms which you cannot see by your naked eyes are known as microorganisms. So if you read this name, Leeuwenhoek, you will find out that this word is a bit familiar to you. Why? Because we have studied about Leeuwenhoek in our old chapter cell, and he had discovered the first living cell in a pond water. So this can also be a very important question. So now let's study about types of microorganisms. So there are basically 5 kinds. How many kinds? 5. 5 kinds of microorganisms. And here we are going to see their names: bacteria, fungi, algae, virus, and protozoa. So in bacteria, again we get these 4 types. Okay. So on the basis of the name, we'll understand what is their shape. Rod-shaped bacteria. Bacillus. Bacillus is a rod-shaped bacteria, just kind of this. Spherical shaped bacteria, which is like a circular or like a ball bacteria, and this is known as foeclass. Spirillum is a spiral shaped bacteria, which is like this kind of. And lastly, we have Vibrio, which is comma shaped, like this kind of bacteria. So now we studied about the specifically bacteria, and now we are going to study about the rest other 4 microorganisms type. Second one is fungi. So what is fungi? It is a large group of microorganisms which do not have chlorophyll. Okay, and they don't show photosynthesis. They are heterotrophs. Okay. An example is Rhizopus, which is a breadboard. Next is algae. Here we have an example of algae, Spirogyra. So what is algae? It is a group of microorganisms which are plant-like organisms, but they don't have stem or leaf or root. They can be either multicellular or they can be the unicellular. Okay, and they are known as autotrophs. What? Autotrophs. And next is viruses. They are microscopic organisms which are responsible for multiple number of diseases. This can be influenza like common cough, chickenpox, etc. Okay, and what is the specialty? They divide the cell. They divide inside the cells. Okay, they divide inside the cells. Last but not the least, protozoa. What is protozoa? It is a group of single cells. These are unicellular. Now we have studied that which one is unicellular and which one is multicellular. But first we shall even know that what is unicellular and what is multicellular. Unicellular organisms have a single cell which is required, responsible for all of their metabolic activities. Metabolic means activities like digestion, circulation, etc. In multicellular, multiple cells are responsible for the organism's metabolic activities. Now let's come back to our topic, protozoa. It is a group of microorganisms which are unicellular and they have animal-like characters. So yes, this is what a protozoa will. And let me give you a quick revision. Bacteria are 4 types. Fungi is a kind of bread mold. Spirogyra is a plant-like organism. Viruses which divide inside the cells, and protozoa which has animal-like characteristics. So yes, that is all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if yes, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.